Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Sims 4 on PlayStation 4. First, you will need to acquire the game. You can purchase it digitally from the PlayStation Store or buy a physical disc. Once you have the game, install it on your console. This process typically requires about 15 gigabytes of free storage space. Navigating The Sims 4 on PlayStation 4 is intuitive. The left analog stick allows you to move the camera around your lot and neighborhood. The right analog stick controls the on-screen cursor, letting you interact with objects and menus. Press the X button to select items and the circle button to cancel actions or go back. The core of The Sims 4 involves creating unique characters, known as Sims, and building their lives. You can design their appearance, personality, and aspirations. Then, construct and furnish their homes, managing their 8 essential needs like hunger and hygiene. Guide them through careers, relationships, and personal goals. To truly enhance your Sims 4 experience, consider exploring the many expansion packs available, which add new gameplay features and items. Master the robust build mode to create incredible structures. Engage with the vibrant online community for inspiration and tips. Experiment with different play styles to discover endless possibilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.